Can we do all this in less than 1 minute? Let's see. The mode, the most repeated. Which number repeated the most here? 5. 5 repeated 3 times. The range is the largest minus the smallest. The largest is 9. The smallest is 1. 9 minus 1 is 8. The mean is when you add all and divide by how many are there. So let's add them. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 10 is 19. Plus 9 is 28. So it's going to be 28 divided by how many are there? 28 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 20 divided by 7 equals 4. The median is the one in the middle. How do you find it? We do cross here, cross there, cross here, cross there, cross here, cross there. You have just one number left, which is 5. The median is 5. Did you get it? Was it easy? Now, it's your homework time. Please try this. Find the mean, median, mode, and range for these numbers. So the numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 3. That's it. Just try this. Find the mean, median, mode, and range. And that's all for this video. Bye.